Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI. It can be so hard to find a kid's sunscreen that's natural, and if you have little ones, then I highly recommend this one. It's called All Good, and it's a mineral-based sunscreen. It has zinc oxide as its main active ingredient, and it's SPF 30. I really like this sunscreen because it is not greasy and it doesn't have a strong scent. It's almost unscented, I would say. And although I enjoy the tropical coconut scents, for kids, I really like the fact that this is definitely more on the natural side of sunscreen products. It goes on really smooth and it's not greasy. So when you are putting it on their face, it's really important to me also that it's not going to run into their eyes and kind of be all over the place. It's reef friendly and it's water resistant up to 80 minutes. So that's a really good amount of time. So if you're looking for something that is a quality product that's going to be great for your kids and make you feel good about putting it on them, then this is the way to go. But that's just my point of view.